What is Indian tea? It is the symbol of Indian history, culture, hospitality, agricultural prowess, and the sense of unity in diversity rolled into one. The strong malty tea of Assam, the fine fragrant tea of Darjeeling, the full-bodied tea of Nilgiri, and many more regions. Every region has a unique flavor profile to suit all kinds of tea lovers, just like every state has a different cuisine, language, and culture. The people of India come together from various genders, castes, and religions to give it the place it deserves on the world map. Unfathomable levels of expertise, labor, and love are put into every batch, every season, year after year. 75 years after independence, Indian teas are already recognized globally, but there is so much more to explore, so many more tea lovers to woo. We at Mittal Teas want to be the bridge that takes you to these regions. I promise you, these teas will win you over and leave you wanting for more. For Indian tea is not just any tea, it is an emotion. This is Nikita Mittal representing Mittal Teas. I'm a fourth-generation tea taster and tea garden aggregator. With folded hands, I bow down to whoever is watching in gratitude. Namaste.